Welcome to this video on auditing top management with a particular focus about objective setting. Within the framework of ISO 9001-2015, top management need to take an active role in the quality management system by demonstrating leadership. One aspect of effective leadership is clearly defining measurable quality objectives. Here the auditor is auditing the quality manager. Watch this video and identify whether the auditor audits this effectively.
What's your process for setting quality objectives?
The business plan states the interested party requirements. So once we understand these, we then start to define annual measurable quality objectives stemming from those interested party requirements.
Okay. And how do you consider customer expectations in setting objectives?
Our key account managers would meet with the customers to get an understanding of any specific targets for those customers.
Can you give me an example?
Yeah, for one of our customers, GM, they require 100% on-time delivery, and they set us a PPM commodity target of 25.
Okay. And can you show me the quality objective for OEE?
OEE, we don't measure OEE, that's overall equipment effectiveness. This is not a customer requirement for us. We do measure equipment uptime, so machine uptime and percentage scrap.
Okay, well this is going to be an issue. IATF 16949 requires measurement of OEE. I have to record this as a major nonconformity.
But we measure productivity by the number of parts per hour, we measure machine uptime, and we measure scrap. The only thing we don't calculate is the OEE. Okay,
well, if you look here in IATF 16949, requirement 8.5.1.5, F calls out OEE.
Okay, I can see OEE, but that seems to be an example. I'm sure we can calculate the OEE. We have all of the base data. I can get my methods engineer to do the calculation and get the OEE figures to you by the end of the audit, if that's okay.
Okay, if you can get those to me, then I might not raise this nonconformity. I'll let you know on the last day of the audit.
Great.
Let's summarize. ISO 9001-2015 requirement 6.2, which is titled Quality Objectives and Plans to Achieve Them, defines the relevant requirements related to quality objectives. The auditing of setting quality objectives should be done with the top management, but in this video, the auditor is only auditing the organization quality manager. It is not the auditor's responsibility to define any objectives. Whereas IATF 16949 defines certain things that should be measured, for example, 9.1.2.1 customer satisfaction, OEE is not a mandatory requirement. 8.5.1.5F states the organization must have documented maintenance objectives underlined, for example, OEE. In this case, the organization clearly states that they measure machine uptime, which is an acceptable measure. The good thing in this video is the auditor was asking questions on how customer expectations are considered in setting objectives, and was asking for evidence not only related to quality objectives, but also related to the current performance against the objectives. Now let's summarize the key learning points. Auditors should always audit the relevant process owner, but in this case, the auditor only focused on questioning the quality manager. Auditors should always challenge how customer expectations are taken into account when setting quality objectives. Auditors should not impose requirements that are not within the defined audit criteria. For more information, visit the website in the description and don't forget to subscribe.